Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check YouTube name availability. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to come on over to YouTube itself and even come into your studio. So come to studio.youtube.com. Then inside of here, we want to click on the customization. Now from here, scroll down, and now this is where we get to choose our name. Now where the handle is, go ahead and put in your name to see if it is available. So say for example, I want to change my name to tutorial. I'm going to type in tutorial, and now it's going to show me if it's available or not. So this handle is not available. Now if we go ahead and say tutorial is one, this might be available. Yep, so if you do find a name available, go ahead and click publish to save your name. But be careful here, because your handle is a unique name, different from your channel name. That helps people find your channel. You can change your handle twice within a 14-day period. We hold your previous handle for 14 days in case you'd like to switch back.